Hey guys, I'm back. Just to give you guys an idea, this is deluxe burger. I got a bacon cheeseburger with everything and some hand-cut fries. I did not get a drink because I'm waiting for Joffrey's coffee, but I wanted to show you. If I can see this. Okay, so I can't focus. 20-something dollars. 20 bucks. Burger and fries. So for where I am, deluxe burger. It's a little pricey, but at the same time, hand-cut fries. And they are absolutely amazing, actually. They could use an aioli, but they're not bad. All right, so average person eating in Disney Springs, bacon cheeseburger and fries. 20 bucks, that's about right. I mean, it's a little pricey, but I come from Colorado, so it seemed pricey there too. All right, see you soon.